This video is for Chapter 3, Section 3.2, the math activity addition and subtraction with base 5 pieces. We'll play some base 5 games and explore grouping with whole number addition and subtraction. You'll need 2 dice and base 5 pieces, the long, flat, flat, the long, and the unit. In question 1, we talk about the trading up game. When it's your turn, you roll 2 dice, and then the product is the number of units that you win. Then you regroup if you can, and so that you always have a minimal collection, and take turns, and the first player who gets to 1 long flat wins the game. When I roll these dice, I get a 3 and a 3. 3 times 3 is 9, so I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 units, and I can't regroup that. When I roll again, I get 2 times 5, I get 10 more units, and I still can't regroup. You should take turns, but this is just one player's play. 6 times 5 is 30 units. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and now I can do some regrouping. But that's it. That's all that regroups. If I play again, I get 2 more units, and then I can regroup again. And you see, you can just keep playing the game, alternating with others until one person gets to a long flat. So in question 1, you play this game. In questions 2, you ask who won the game in 3 hypothetical playing cases. And in question 3, we ask you further questions. If you're at a certain point, how far can you go? What rolls do you need? Then in question 4, we play the trading down game. And now we think more about subtracting. In this game, we start with a long flat. And each time we remove the number of units that we determine by the product. And when you get rid of your whole long flat, that's when you win. So I set up my long flat. And you remember in the virtual manipulatives, you have to regroup to make your long flat. Then I roll my dice. So 4 times 4 is 16. So I need to take 16 pieces away. So first I need to break up my pieces. So each of these is 25, so I need to break one of those up. Each of these is 5, so I need to break up still another. And now I'm going to take away 16 units. And in fact, I don't need these. I can take them all away, and I want to keep track of my minimal collection each time. Then if I play again, I take away 3, and if I play again, I take away 6, and so you just have to keep track of your pieces. So there's my 6 that I can get rid of, and you can continue on, of course, alternating turns with another player or a team of players until you get rid of all your pieces. I hope you have fun with Math Activity 3.2, thinking about how regrouping works, how when you add, you regroup up, and when you subtract, you borrow and regroup down.